Hello, I welcome to UPSC Prelims Chaturya series of Shantha Lakshmi IAS Academy, where we will discuss the daily prelims MCQs from the Hindu, Indian Express and PIB. Let's begin. The first question. Consider the following statements with respect to India Meteorological Department. It works under the Ministry of Science and Technology. It is the National Meteorological Service of the country and the principal government agency in all matters relating to meteorology and allied subjects. It was established in 1875. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none of the above. This was in news recently. The Indian Meteorological Department issued an updated seasonal outlook for hot weather season 2024 and monthly outlook for April 2024 for rainfall and temperature in New Delhi. About Indian Meteorological Department, it was established in 1875. It is the National Meteorological Service of the country and the principal government agency in all matters relating to meteorology and allied subject. The Director General of Meteorology is the head of this organization. There are 6 regional meteorological centers, each under a Deputy Director General with headquarters at Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, and Guwahati. Mandate to take meteorological observation and to provide current and forecast meteorological information for optimum operation of weather-sensitive activities like agriculture, irrigation, shipping, aviation, offshore oil explorations, etc. To warn against severe weather phenomena like tropical cyclones, nor'westers, dust storms, heavy rains and snow, cold and heat waves, etc., which cause destructions of life and property. To provide meteorological statistics required for agriculture, water resource management, industries, oil explorations, and other nation-building activities. In meteorology and allied disciplines, Nodal Ministry, Ministry of Earth Sciences, Headquarters, New Delhi. So the answer is only 2 because it works under the Ministry of Earth Sciences, not Science and Technology. Moving to the next question. With reference to the zero FIR, consider the following statement. Zero FIR is lodged as a complaint by the informant where the incident has occurred in the area in which the police station has the jurisdiction to conduct an investigation. It was introduced on the recommendation of the Justice Verma Committee. Which of the statement given above is are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 or 2. Recently, police registered a zero FIR case against a former minister of Telangana for allegedly making objectionable comments against the Telangana chief minister. About zero FIR, it refers to a first investigation report that is registered irrespective of the area where the offense is committed. The police in such a case can no longer claim that they have no jurisdiction. It is later transferred to the police station that has the actual jurisdiction so that the investigation can begin. It was introduced on the recommendation of the Justice Verma Committee formed at the backdrop of the brutal Nirbhaya gang rape in Delhi in 2012. This puts a legal obligations on the police to begin an investigation and take quick action without excuse of the absence of jurisdiction. Objective, it is ensure the victim doesn't have to run from pillar to post to get a police complaint registered. The provision is meant to provide speedy redressal to the victim so that timely action can be taken after the filing of the FIR. So the answer is 2 only because zero FIR that is registered irrespective of area. Moving to the next question. What is Callisto? Recently seen in the news. Option A, Jupiter's moon. Option B, Saturn's moon. Option C, Mars moon. Option D, invasive plant. Researchers have found evidence of ozone on Jupiter's moon, Callisto, revealing insights into chemical processes on icy celestial bodies. The study focuses on chemical evolution of SO2, that is nothing but sulfur dioxide, astrochemical ice composed of sulfur dioxide under the ultraviolet irradiation. Analysis of UV absorption spectra of irradiated ice samples unveiled a distinctive ozone formation signature. Callisto's stable surface suggests it may harbor subsurface oceans or potential habitats, making it a potential candidate for extraterrestrial life. So the answer is option A, Jupiter's moon. Moving to the next question. Consider the following statements regarding the leap second. It is used as a measure to combat the long-term slowdown in the Earth rotation. It is added every now and then to coordinated universal time in order to synchronize a clock worldwide. The International Earth Rotation and Reference Systems Service is responsible for making decisions on when to add or subtract leap second for UTC. How many of the statements given above are correct? Only one, only two, all three, none of the above. A recent study highlighted that due to factors like climate change and geological shift, Earth's changing rotation may prompt clocks to skip a second, potentially necessitating negative leap second around 2029. About leap second, it is used as a measure to combat the long-term slowdown in the Earth rotation, which is caused by the constant melting and refreezing of ice caps. It is added every now and then to coordinated universal time in order to synchronize a clock worldwide with the Earth's ever-slowing rotation. The system of leap second was introduced in the early 1970s. So far, 27 positive leap seconds have been added. UTC consists of a time scale that combines the output of more than 300 highly precise atomic clocks worldwide. Atomic clocks are very accurate and are stable within 1 second over a period of millions of years. On the other hand, the astronomical time known as universal time refers to the Earth rotation around its own axis and determines the length of a day. Reason for addition, the Earth rotation around its own axis is not regular, as sometimes it speeds up and sometimes it slows down due to various factors, including the moon's gravitational earth-breaking forces that often results in ocean tides. As a result, astronomical time gradually falls out of sync with atomic time, and when the difference between UTC and UT1 approaches 0.9 seconds, a leap second is added to UTC through atomic clocks worldwide. A leap second is normally inserted either on June 30 or December 31. The International Earth Rotation and Reference System Service is responsible for making decisions on when to add or subtract a leap second from UTC. The IERS monitors the Earth rotation and determines if a leap second is necessary based on the deviation between atomic time and astronomical time. So the answer is all three are correct. Moving to the next question. Choose correct one with respect to the Digital India Trust Agency. It will be responsible for stopping illegal lending apps from popping up. Any app which will not carry the verified tag of DIGITA will be considered unauthorized. Which of the statement given above is are not correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. The Reserve Bank of India is considering establishing a Digital India Trust Agency to combat cyber fraud and illegal lending apps. About Digital India Trust Agency, it will be responsible for stopping illegal lending apps from popping up. It will enable the verification of these digital lending apps and will maintain a public register of these verified applications. Any app which will not carry the verified tag of DIGTA will be considered unauthorized. Significance, this will create an important and much needed checkpoint in the fight against online financial fraud. So the answer is neither one or two because both the statement given above are correct. Thank you. This is the today's session.